One of the good things about science and about what we do is the fact that it does apply to what actually happens in our day-to-day life. So there are often real-world applications to either the principles or activities we actually do. Right? So I need you to remember that, and I need you to think about these things as we go through. Of course, it is important for us to be able to see that it is not done in isolation. So any activity we do could have an ongoing effect. Right. If this is going to be true, then some of the scientific discoveries that we now use and the applications and technologies that have come from those are now part of our everyday life. So we could think about things like the light globe, stereo, phones, TVs, all these sort of things came because scientists were trying to find out how things worked and what it was all about. And now we are doing this and we are applying these concepts and principles to help our everyday life and to help society in general. So what we need you to do is to think about what's going on with this science and where is it being used and what is it all about. And all the technologies that come with us, all these things that went from being science fiction to science fact, based upon the idea of someone thinking to themselves, I think this would be a really good idea to use in this area, and then working out a way to make it fit. So that's why we like you to think about how it could be used, or more importantly, it is used. Most of the ideas and most of the activities we come up with in our science course will be about how science is already being used by societies.